In this video, I am going to talk about a new release software named Video Lead Machine. I am going to disclose what is Video Lead Machine, what will you get inside, how it works, should you buy it or not, and many other questions as well as my verdict. Moreover, I have included more information and website links in the description of this video. You can check out there. Before going to start this video, subscribe to this channel and press the bell button so you can get notification of my next video. So let's go to the main topic. So what is lead machine? Video lead machine. Video lead machine is a powerful step-by-step process combined with automated software that name is authority beats that we can follow to start gaining instant authority in any niche to drive leads and ultimately boost business. We will learn how to use authority beat software to create videos to establish instant authority, attract unlimited leads, and convert them into clients and customers. We know that authority is a very important piece of the puzzle when it comes to getting leads, selling products and services online. But no matter what type of business you are in, no matter what types of products you are selling, you can get more quality leads and close more sales if you show as an authority in your niche. Authority position you as an expert for whatever product or service you are offering. As a way to get instant authority, Todd Gross with his team made this video lead machine software that will help you to get more leads and ultimately more sales. Let's know about the creator of this software. This is Todd Gross, and you can see he is 3 times Emmy Award winner and become a pioneer in online video marketing. He is 1% vendor and 1% affiliate of JVZoo Marketplace, and he has already won 8 times product of the day winners. So he has a good reputation for his product and service. So what you will get inside? You will get access to mainly 3 portion of tools and training, which is number 1 video creation software, number 2 5 modules training, and 3 masterclass bonuses. Let's check them out. Here you can see the module number 1 lead conversion strategy, and module number 2 video conversion strategy, module number 3 authority video formula, and module number 4 video lead marketing, and module number 5 authority beat software automation training. So you can see there are a lot of training guides in this system. So now let's know how does it work. The software actually creates a TED Talk like newsy videos interview with you that looks and feels like a segment from 60 minutes or 2020. You get the idea. This way you can seems like the marketing expert to a specific business, or we have training that teaches you how to actually build these kinds of amazing multi-TED talks for local business as well. You don't have to be camera either. It can all be done with just your voice if you wish. The training will teach you how to properly position yourself as the authority using the video app and way beyond. This package has the software and training we need to create professional videos that can boost our authority, generate new leads and convert leads into paying customers. So who need it? Let's know who among us needs this system. Number one, I can say anyone with any niche can use this software. Number two, business owners need this software, affiliate marketer as well as YouTube influencer, any product seller, teacher, and finally who wants to make through video creation. So how much the price? The price of this product, that means video lead machine system, for $47, but you can use coupons which is VLM special, that means SPECIAL, for $10 off before it expires. It has some upsell products, and here you can see what you will get in the front end product. Here is module 1, quick start to your success in 12 minutes, how to become an instant expert. Module 2, the expert authority formula. Module 3, how to market your expertise. Module number 4, instant customers, that converting your leads into paying clients. Module number 5, authority beats automation and authority beats software. This is a push button video creation software, makes anyone look like an authority in their desired niche. You can create 5 videos. It has some upsell products. Let's know about their features and prices. Here is OTO 1, which is sales and marketing power pack, and its price 47 one time. And feature number 1 is emails, PPTs, resources to get and close clients, plus social covers, social post, presentation templates. Feature number 2, bonuses, finder app, service, client contacts. And OTO number 2 is unlimited authority beats pro. This is 97 for one time. Feature 1 is create unlimited authority beats. Feature 2, 32 niche scripts for video creation. That is amazing. Here is OTO number 3, which is video lead page. This is recurring, which is $67 per year. The feature of this OTO 3 is unlimited lead landing pages and lead capture system. And here is OTO number 4, which is 3-day master class. Part 1, what you will learn inside. Part 1, quick start activation training. Part 2, build your system for new clients. And part 3, advanced authority beat strategies. Now the question is it worth buying? My vote is for yes, it's worth buying, because so many of us in every niche and business that exists are putting in so much efforts into getting leads and marketing sales online without any success. How can you expect anyone to trust you if you have never had a client or customer before? What if they have no idea who you are? That is why authority is one thing that can get you over the hump. That's where most entrepreneurs find themselves. In this circumstance, video lead machine tackles this every problem by combining a unique form of video with a proven process to establish authority in just days. So for the features, performance and with the bonuses, I think it's worth buying. You will get the link in the description if you want to buy it. So let's know the pros and cons of it. I can explain, and after researching this product I find these pros in this system. So number one, it is very easy to use and manage. Number two, a proven instant authority model. Number three, a simple take you by the hand formula to follow. Number four, will work for any business, any services and any niche. Number five, attack leads ready to invest your products and services. Number six, no hidden charges. Number seven, tested and proven. Number eight, huge bonuses. And number nine, 30 days money back guarantee. So this is a nice product for you, and you have the security, that means risk free. You have a money back guarantee. The cons I have found in this system is authority building is not easy as it seems. It will take time, so you can don't get your authority overnight. Number two, lead generation and turn them into sales needs a lots of marketing knowledge and a lot of technical skills. So you have to gather a lot of marketing knowledge to build your authority, then capture leads, and for the finally email marketing. So what is my final verdict? Now you have come to the end of this video, so I am going to express my verdict of this product. Whether we are working with clients or trying to get our own business going, we can immediately attack leads and subsequent sales with this system. Without that kind of authority that sets us apart from everyone else, we are going to get stuck while other people in our niche climb right over us. We know that it takes most people years to establish the kind of authority that can make a difference to their success. You know for a fact that more authority and establishing yourself as an expert in your business can make the difference in getting more leads and ultimately making more sales. So this software is highly recommended for anyone who wants to get instant authority, lead, sales, and above all success in the business. Here you can see, when you get this software from the link in the description, there is my affiliate link, and you will get my special bonuses, which is worth $33,000. See a overview of my bonus pack. Here is the dropshipping, Facebook ads, social media marketing, affiliate marketing, Amazon FBA, copywriting, crowdfunding, email marketing, forex, funnel building, Instagram marketing, and lots more. And you can see the file size is 341 GB, gigabyte, 111 gigabyte, 269 gigabyte. That means lot of 2 terabyte of data and training you will get as a bonus when you go through my affiliate link. So if you want this software with my special bonuses, go for it from the link in the description. So what are alternatives? If you need the alternatives of this software, you can go for Google and search for like online video maker, and when you search for online video maker, you will find this software, which is InVideo, Canva. Here is another software you can create videos with, and here is Bytable. This is another software you can create videos, and Adobe promo.com, Animoto. This is the alternative of this software. So thanks guys for watching my video leads machine review. I hope my opinion about this will help you to decide whether to buy it or not. To buy it, check the link in the description and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Stay focused.